troubleshooting a running blower motor without a multimeter is unsafe and avoidable risk that can lead to shock, equipment damage, or misdiagnosis. A blower motor is an electrical device that draws current, spins a fan, and often connects to capacitors and control circuits, so start by de-energizing the circuit and locking out the power before any hands-on inspection. If you must observe it running for diagnostic purposes, use a properly rated multimeter to measure voltage, current, and continuity. Set the meter to the correct range and test leads to confirm the tool is functioning on a known live source before use. For current measurement, use either a clamp meter designed for alternating current or a meter with a current function and the proper probe placement, and never try to estimate current by feel or sound. When testing capacitors, measure them with the circuit fully discharged and the capacitor removed if possible, because an in-circuit reading can hide faults and a charged capacitor can deliver a dangerous shock. Use visual inspection for loose wiring, burnt insulation, oil leaks, or abnormal vibration as a complementary step, but remember these signs do not replace electrical measurements. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including insulated gloves and eye protection, and stand on a non-conductive surface when working near live components. The three most common mistakes are guessing voltage by touch or sound, which can lead to electrocution, so always confirm with a multimeter before touching terminals. Relying on a single symptom such as noise to condemn the motor can lead to unnecessary replacement. So pair auditory clues with measured current draw and a capacitor check. Failing to isolate and lock out the power when switching testing modes risks short circuits and arc flash. So implement lockout, tagout, and verify zero voltage with your meter before contacting the system. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project types and timelines to make better hiring decisions for jobs like blower motor repair. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host a discussion community where we and other members share real field experiences and practical safety tips.